All right, HSU has some of the best action camera accessories. This is the all aluminum 7-in-1 extension arm kit. Now, this is actually 3 different pieces. You can see the different lengths on here, and you put them together. They got the really strong bolt that goes right into it, and even comes with a key to pop on there and tighten it down even more, so it's like you can get that thing really tight. So what this is gonna do is gonna be, if you're trying to get a good shot that maybe sticks out from you, maybe even on the helmet, if you wanted like a shot that comes down this way and connect that to a helmet mount, yeah, this is why you're gonna want this, is because you can tighten that so much, and that aluminum alloy doesn't bend. You can really tighten it down and get it exactly how you want it without it moving. It's that strong, that sturdy. You can even hear it just as you hit it. It's got that really strong aluminum alloy to it. So one of the things I love about it is there's even some screw threads coming out in different spots, so you can, you know, put other attachments on there if you need to. You can even run cable around through it, just because it's kind of like a little bit got holes in it. So a very thought out design. It's even got a 3/4 screw thread right there. So they give you a lot of options on this. But yeah, this is a great addition to any action camera accessory kit, because you're gonna want something like this that's really strong and sturdy. Maybe if it's outside of your car, you don't want the wind to move it. This thing is gonna be solid, man. As soon as you turn that bolt on here, especially using the key, you can just make this thing rock solid. Like, it's not going anywhere. So one of the best out there. And again, HSU, they have high quality accessories for your action cameras. Highly recommend this 7-in-1 extension arm kit, and thanks for watching.